Hi, I'm Andrew Mackin. I'm a professor and an internist in small animal medicine at Mississippi State University. The particular lecture that I'm going to talk about is my state-of-the-art lecture on immune-mediated hemolytic anemia. I'm going to review what's come out in the last few years regarding consensus statements and talk about how important it is to use these to come up with the latest in practical diagnosis and treatment of conditions such as IMHA. And the take-home message will be what you can do in your practice. Now, I am looking forward to doing this because I haven't done or spoken at the WSAVA for many years, but I have done it in the past, including in Israel and including in the UK. And I'm looking forward to my first virtual WSAVA meeting. And I hope that one day we'll be able to also do this again in person. So I'll see you online.